In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review the Smartsheet business plan and decide if it's the right fit for your team. We'll walk through a simple process you can use to evaluate the plan clearly and confidently, especially if you're comparing options for team collaboration, reporting, and workflow management. Start by opening the Smartsheet pricing page. This is the best place to get a current overview of the available plans since pricing and features can change over time. Once you're there, focus on the business plan because that's the option designed for teams that need more than basic project tracking and lightweight collaboration. Take a close look at the features included in the business plan. Don't just skim the plan name or monthly cost. Review what it offers in terms of day-to-day teamwork and operational visibility. In particular, check the collaboration tools, reporting capabilities, dashboard options, and automation features. These are often the areas that make the biggest difference once a team starts using the platform regularly. As you review collaboration, think about how your team shares updates, assigns work, and stays aligned across projects. Then move on to reporting and dashboards. These features matter if your team needs a clearer view of progress, status, or performance across multiple sheets or workflows. After that, check the automation options to see whether the plan supports the kinds of repetitive processes your team wants to streamline. Next, compare the business plan with the Pro and Enterprise plans. This comparison helps you understand whether business gives you enough functionality without paying for tools your team may not need. Pro is typically better for smaller teams with simpler needs, while Enterprise is usually aimed at larger organizations that need more advanced controls, scale, or administration. The goal here is to see where business sits in the middle and whether that balance works for your situation. Then calculate the cost based on your team size. Make sure you're looking at how pricing applies per user or per plan, depending on what's shown on the page. This step is important because a plan that looks affordable at first can feel very different once you account for the full team. Also, check whether advanced add-ons are needed. If certain capabilities are not included in the base plan, you'll want to factor that into your decision and budget. If, after reviewing everything, your team needs stronger collaboration and reporting than what a lower tier option provides, then the business plan is likely the better choice. It can be a solid fit for teams that need more structure, visibility, and coordination without moving all the way to an enterprise level solution.